So what does Dr. Prem Medical Tourism packages includes? There are lots of benefits in the packages, but let me explain you in a three simple step. First, definitely before you start medical tourism business, you do need to understand the industry. So you need to understand what medical tourism is all about. So we will be giving you guidance, knowledge, documents and training. In first step, we are going to explain you everything about medical tourism, from where the patients are traveling, where they are going, what they are doing, what kind of prices they are paying, what kind of services they are looking for, what kind of hospital they are looking for, and what kind of hospitals would like to tie up with you if you are a facilitator, or if you are a hospital, what kind of facilitator want to tie up. You need entire knowledge. Fortunately, we have been working in industry from last 15 years and I have personally traveled to 65 countries. So I have collected lots of information that I can share with you through knowledge, through one-on-one coaching. Also, we will give you access to client portal where we have more than 500 documents, research, documents, information about various procedures, about various medical visa procedures and all, and also information about wellness therapies and treatment and all the information. The client portal gives information about 500 different topics. Plus, we give you access to training.Dr. Prem portal. Training.Dr. Prem portal has over 100 courses. Most of them are on medical tourism and wellness tourism, but we have also brought marketing, HR, leadership, because these all are essential for very good medical tourism experience and knowledge. Then you will also require documentation. You have to sign up agreement with other facilitators or hospital or other organization. So you need documentation and we provide the documentation also. So in all, in first step, we provide guidance, knowledge, documentation, training. On top, one-on-one coaching. I am personally available and also my team member who have years of experience on working on medical tourism would be available to teach you, guide you how to go into medical tourism. Second step, once you understand the medical tourism, once you get the complete guidance and knowledge, it's a time to develop your online reputation and online presence. Most of the time, facilitator or hospital think that by just making website or by just making social media profile, they are doing great job. But they don't understand that the decision by patient is made on online reputation, not only by online presence. What's the difference? The online reputation is the entire look and feel and the way you interact through online and the way you pass on the trust on patient or your partner. We have years of knowledge of creating website. So within the package, we will create decent website. It could be advanced package or ultimate package, and we have lots of demo website. We do amazing content writing for you with on-page optimization using stock photos, using high-end quality. We use Google Cloud Server, by the way. So all your website will load in fraction of second. All your website material, pages and all will be high speed, high quality, and we provide hosting free of cost, whatever package you choose, for 6 months or 1 year from our side, and after that it's renewable on a very small fees. Always remember that website is a massive task. So within package, our idea is to give you a quite decent website with a good information, good content, so you rank on search engine very fast. And after that, you have entire world to grow. You can go develop more web application, you can develop telemedicine. So the website does have an option to develop more and more structure. But in a package, we give you a decent website which is good enough for you to run the entire business. A part of website, in case if you already have a website, we can also give you content, we can give you photos, we can give you banners. We also do social media work. So for first 2 months or 3 months based on packages, we will do entire social media work for you. We will design amazing banners, we will design content, description, hashtag. Remember, our idea is to empower you. So we will teach you, train you and guide you how to use all these online reputation tools. One more important thing which is already included in your package is paid campaigns, creation of paid campaigns. Creation of paid campaign means that to get the patient, there are 2 or 3 different ways. The third way, which we are going to discuss little later, but one of the ways to getting Google advertisement, Facebook paid advertisement. For first 2-3 months, we will not charge you any money to creating campaign. We will create campaign free of cost. You can decide the budget, maybe $200, $500, 25,000 rupees, whatever budget you would like to select accordingly. Or as a consultant, we can guide you what kind of budget you should have if your target market is Middle East, if your target market is Bangladesh, if your target market is Africa. We will also suggest you what kind of budget you have. Currently, some of our facilitators are getting more than 100 inquiries a month, 100 and 150 inquiries a month with a very small budget, because we have those 18 years of experience and knowledge to create some campaigns. We will create those campaigns. Last part of package, which is very important, is also networking and outreaching. We have a huge directory, and I have personally been to 65 countries. So I have collected many business cards, I have collected many relationship, and we have a huge database. We have roughly around 3,000 facilitators and doctors on our network. We have roughly around 25,000 travel agents on our database, and we have good hospitals who are already ready for the medical tourism. So within client portal medicaltourism.drprem.com and wellnesstourism.drprem.com, we give you access to all of them. You go and connect as many people as you want. Also, we can also extract some database and give it to you, maybe 200, maybe 500 database for you, so you can connect with them directly. Also, within your package, there are benefit of one-on-one introduction. Just in case you want us to introduce you to some facilitator, some hospital, we also provide you based on the package. This is the best way to do networking and outreaching. Keep in mind, networking takes a long time, maybe 6 months, 3 months, 12 months to develop a relationship. So you need to combine paid advertisement and networking to be really successful. On top, if you're opting for ultimate package, we also provide you business plan, guidance and knowledge about funding, investment, how to get the investment, how to get funding, whether it's an angel investor, equity investor, all this knowledge is provided. So in short, our packages are highly designed, beautifully designed to give you everything at a very reasonable prices. We have invested so much time to create the tools. No other organizations have created tools like directories, client portals, training portals, and the telemedicine portals and patient flow portal. All these 5 additional quality software we will provide you, plus one-on-one coaching, plus documentation, plus knowledge, plus website creation, plus social media campaign creation, plus outreach, plus one-on-one introduction. All these are including within the packages, regardless whether you choose advanced package or ultimate package. We highly recommend that you initiate project with advanced or ultimate, which is 2 months and 3 months respectively. After that, you go ahead and go for more thing you want to develop, web application or software or activity. We are always available to customize further. So these are the standard benefit. Remember, it's somewhere around $100 billion industry, and again, if you top up with wellness tourism, which is somewhere around $1 trillion industry, together this is a huge industry, and our packages will give you the great kickstart. Keep in mind, you still have to have a marketing coordinator, you still have to have a little bit marketing budget to have that success which you want. If you do not have a coordinator, or if you do not have a little bit marketing budget, then your growth will not be there. So please start your business wisely. We will be always here to support you, guide you whenever you have patience. So wishing you success, my friend. Feel free to reach out to us.